Do you hear that? Absolute piece of crap. Oh. Drop. Today we're going to be talking the Pohaku Multitool and figuring out whether or not this multi-tool is right for you. Let's open this bad boy up. So who is this multi-tool for? This multi-tool is for one person and one person only. For everyone else, you will absolutely be wasting your money. And that person is someone who just wants a multi-tool that is good. A good price, good range of tools, good quality, just good. Whether that be maybe something for you to throw in your car as an extra thing in your bag, or maybe something for you to just have on hand for random odd jobs. It has a pair of good pliers. It has a good knife with a good lock. And the rest of the tools, it's basically just good. You can see my last video to be able to see exactly what's on this. But it is just good. It's not the cheapest multi-tool on Amazon. It's not the most expensive multi-tool on Amazon. It's just good. That's literally how I would sum it up. The best way I know is expect good. Even the packaging, where did I put that? It's around here somewhere. Here we go. Got everything, but it's just good. It's really thin. Just good. But who is this not for? Literally anyone else. If you, for whatever reason, which I don't understand, want a crappy multi-tool, this does not, in my opinion, justify as fully crappy. Also, if you want a amazing multi-tool or a quality multi-tool, please save yourself the money. Do not buy this. Just look at the price tag, guys. It's not that hard. It's just a good multi-tool. Is it worth the money? Oh, 110%. If that's what you're wanting. If you want a nice multi-tool, go get a nice multi-tool. If you want a crappy multi-tool for whatever reason, or you're just lazy, you want to spend less, you can absolutely get worse than this out there, so go get worse than this. That being said, even for people who just want a good multi-tool, there's 3 things you need to know about this. 1, like I said, thin packaging. 2, that is not supposed to happen. 3, once you learn how to get this Phillips screwdriver out, you're good. But until then, good luck. Anyways, guys, that's all I have for you today. Hopefully this review was helpful. Let me know anything I could have done to make it better, any questions you have in the comment section down below, and I will talk to you guys next time. Peace.